In this guide, I'm gonna clear out whether you can see someone's friend list on Snapchat or not. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now head over to the conversations page. Now search for the person whose friend list you wanna view. Navigate to their profile page. Once you are viewing their profile, you'll notice that Snapchat does not provide any option to view that person's friend list or best friends list. That's because Snapchat keeps this information private. Only the account owner can see their own friend list and other private account details, so there is currently no official way to view another user's friends or best friends on Snapchat. If you're trying to find out whether you have mutual connections, one possible clue is Snapchat's quick add feature. The quick add section may recommend people based on mutual friends, shared contacts, or other connections. While this can give you an idea that you may have mutual acquaintances, it does not reveal someone's actual friend list or best friend list. So the answer is no, you cannot see someone else's friend list on Snapchat. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.